So we're going to test out how we can use this pentatonic scale, start off getting to know it, getting it a little bit under our fingers in the key of A. And my suggestion to start off is to just pluck the notes on the beat. Remember, any note works at any time with the pentatonic scale. But I'm keeping it easy for myself and maybe for you guys by just starting with the C note and moving down in pitch. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And because we're probably working as self-contained, meaning we're just playing with ourselves, and that came out really wrong, huh? But you know what I mean? we want to establish some harmony, a chord. So strum your A. Let's try that. I'm going to slow it down. 2, 3, 4. I'm leaving out a note. Let's try this. So you see what I mean? We're establishing that harmony. If we're working with an ensemble, if we're working with a group, then we can rely on other people strumming and do single notes. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to comp for you the chords in Kansas City. And I want you to try the pentatonic scale. Any note, any time, any way. Or just one note, 2 notes. Now I'm going to go to the E string, C string, see, so many possibilities. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. They got crazy little fellas. I'm gonna get me one. Let's do one more time. I'm on to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. I'm going to Kansas City, Kansas City, here I come. They got crazy little fellas. I'm gonna get me one. I was doing some hammer-ons there, and we'll talk about that technique next week.